Hello, this is Maestro X, and I'm going to go over the Level 1 academic word of the day, link, for week 7, quarter 4. Let's take a look at your flashcard. Link has one syllable, so it's just pronounced link. It is used as a noun or as a verb, but we're going to have you learn the noun definitions, of which we have two. The first one is a connection between two or more people or things. We usually use it in this structure, the link between A and B. Okay, so the link between Marjorie and Roger, for example. It's when you're talking about the connection between these two people, okay? Or the link between my house and my neighbor's house. Maybe there's a gate between. You can say that's the link, all right? So let's take a look at your academic word example. A good reader will make a link between the text and his or her life. One of our grade 8 reading strategies is making connections. And connection is a synonym for link. So when you make a connection, one type of connection you can make is when you read something in the text and see if it reminds you of something in your own life, something that happened in your own life. Okay? And good readers do that, so they will make a link between the text and his or her life. Let's take a look at your second definition. The second definition is just describing the relationship between two or more people, countries, or organizations. Okay, so one is the connection, the other really is kind of a relationship. All right. Let's look at a sentence example for this one. Since the 1990s, China has dramatically increased trade links with nations in Africa. I think they raised the amount of trade between China and the countries in Africa by 700%. It's the number one trading partner of Africa right now. China's really increased its influence there. Okay, so when they say they dramatically increased trade links, again, they've developed trading relationships with a lot of the countries in Africa, and they've invested a lot in Africa as well. All right, back to our flashcard. We can call the process of doing this linking the linkage. The linkage. We have the two participle forms, linking and linked. And as I mentioned before, we can always use link also as a verb. So you can say China has now linked with many countries in Africa. Or you can say that a good reader links his or her life with the text. So because link can be a verb or a noun, we have several synonyms for you. Some that are for the noun, like connection or tie, and some for the verbs, like tie, relate, or associate. So that is your academic word of the day. If you got this one wrong on your reassessment, be sure to write an original sentence using link as a verb and make it on a new flashcard with a new illustration and turn it in with your reassessment. Okay, happy studying.